Hello, how are you all? Hope you are all doing good. Today we are going to discuss IMO Level 2 sample paper for grade 8. Next question. In 2014 and 2015, the number of students appeared for class 8 examination was 1,15,332, and in 2015-16 the number was 1,26,054. So if 98,151 students passed the examination in 2014-15 and 1,13,804 students in 2015-16 year, what is the decrease or increase in pass percentage of class 8 students? So here you can see we have to find out whether it is an increase or decrease and how much percentage. Okay, so first one in the year 2014-15, we will find out the calculate the percentage. Okay, so to find out the percentage, what we have to do here, number of students passed that examination divided by total number of students appeared for the examination into 100. So we will get the percentage. So which is equal to approximately 85.10%. Sorry, 85.10%. And in the year 2015 to 16, you can see the number of students passed the examination is 13,804. Out of how many students have appeared for the examination? 1,26,054. Okay, and into 100%. So when we take the percentage, we will get 90.28%. Okay. So in this case, there is an increase in percentage by considering these 2 years when we take. So there is an increase in percentage, and how much percentage is increased? So we have to subtract 90.28 minus 85.10. So here it is 18. So 5.18% increase is there. So we can say that increase and 5.18%. The correct option is option B, increase and 5.18%. So next question, by what number should -1 the whole raised to -1 be divided so that the quotient may be equal to -1 the whole raised to 1? So any number it is dividing. Suppose we are taking the number as x, some number we are dividing it with this. Okay. So suppose we are dividing it with x. Okay. We don't know that. No. So -15 the whole raised to -1 divided by x will be what? We are getting the quotient -1 the whole raised to -1. Okay. So -15 the whole raised to -1, we can write it as 1 by 15. Okay, 1 by 15 is what is known as -15 the whole raised to -1. 1 by minus symbol is also there. So 1 by -15 into divided by x, it will become the reciprocal into 1 by x is equal to -5 the whole raised to 1 -1. We can write it as 1 by -5. Okay, so this we can write it as which is equal to -5 is equal to -15x. Okay, -15 into x, -15x, -5. Okay, then again we can convert into that number, like -15 is equal to -5 is equal to -15x, or x will be what, which is equal to 5 by 15. Minus and minus will get cancelled off. 5 by 15 is equal to 1 by 3. X value of x is 1 by 3 means what? When we convert like this, we can convert again to this form. So this will become 3 raised to -1. So the correct option is option A, 3 raised to -1. Okay, we get the value of x. That number is 3 raised to -1. Next question. In a blueprint, 33rd question. In a blueprint of a room, an architect has shown the height of the room as 30.48 centimeter. If the actual height of the room is 10 feet, then the scale used by her is, okay. So in a blueprint of a room, okay, in a blueprint, the height of the room is shown as 30.48. Okay. So here you can write that is 1 foot. It is given here in this question, it is shown as the height of the room is shown as 30.48 centimeter. Okay. And actual height is what? 10 feet only. Okay. So which scale she is used here? That what we have to find. Okay. So this is one here. This is the blueprint height. Okay. Next, 10 feet, which is equal to what? 10 feet is equal to 10 into 3.48. Sorry, 30.48. Okay, so this is equal to 304.8 centimeter. This is what is the actual height. Okay, so here, so how we will calculate the scale, how much percentage of scale, which is equal to actual height divided by blueprint height. So the actual height was what? 304.8 and the blueprint height was 30.48. Okay. So here you can see the difference is 10. Okay. And we can say that the ratio, okay, the scale used by her is 1 is to 10. Okay. 1 is to 10 is the ratio and the scale used by her is correct option is option B. Next question, let O and P represents a number 0 and 3 respectively on the number line. Points Q, R, S are between O and P such that OQ is equal to QR is equal to RS is equal to SP. What are the rational numbers represented by the points Q, R and S respectively? So here you can see O and P are the numbers represented in a number line. Suppose this is 0 and this is 3, 1, 2 are there. Okay. So see this is O and this is P. Okay, and in between you can see Q, R and S is there somewhere, and the distance between every OQ, QR, RS and SP are all same only. Okay, and we have to find out the rational numbers Q, R and S here. Okay, suppose it is said that from the distance from O to P is the number line, it is representing 0 and 3. So from here to here, the distance will be 3 only. 0, 3 minus 0, that is 0 only. So we can write like this. OQ plus QR plus RS plus SP is equal to 3 because that total distance will be 3 only. Okay, so suppose we are taking the distance as D. We don't know, we are taking it as D. So all the distance are same only. So we can write it as OQ is equal to QR is equal to RS is equal to SP is equal to D, small d distance. Okay. So here we can write 4D will be is equal to what? This is D plus D plus D plus D. 4D it will become 4D will be equal to 3 only because this distance. And from that D we will get 3 by 4. Okay. Distance is 3 by 4. So if it is 3 by 4, first their distance is 3 by 4 only. So first number will be what? We have to add 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4. 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 is 6 by 4 and which is equal to 3 by 2. So the first number Q will be what? 3 by 2. And the next number QR will be what? We have to add 3 by 2 and 3 by 4. Again we have to add this with 6 by 4. 6 by 4 plus 3 by 4 which is equal to, again, we are getting 9 by, okay. So 9 by 4 and 3 by 4 and 3 by 2. So the three numbers will be what? Sorry. Yes, first number we get the 3 by 4, first D. Okay, first distance from O to Q, it is 3 by 4 only. Okay, so that number will be what? 3 by 4. So Q will be 3 by 4, R will be 3 by 2 and S will be 9 by 4. R will be 3 by 2 and S is 9 by 4. So the correct option is option B, 3 by 4, 3 by 2 and 9 by 4. A basketball court is in the rectangular shape and its dimensions are directly proportional to the dimensions of the rectangular park shown here. Find the width of the court. So here you can see a basketball court and a park here. Okay. And they are seeing the dimensions. That is the length and breadth is directly proportional. Okay. It is directly proportional means what? We can write it as length of basketball court by breadth of basketball court is equal to length of basket park by breadth of park. Okay, like this we can write. When it is in proportion, we can write like this. So length of basketball court is given as 42. By breadth, we don't know. And it is taken as x. So which is equal to length of park is 196 and breadth of park is 126. So when we cross multiply this, what we will get? 196x is equal to 42 into 126. When we cross multiply, or x is equal to 42 into 126 divided by 196. So which is equal to 5292 divided by 196 or which is equal to 27 meter. So the width of that basketball court is 27 meter. Correct option is option C, 27 meter. Next question, find the coordinates of the vertices A, B, C and D respectively. Here you can see this is a Cartesian system, that is X and Y. Okay, coordinates. First it will come X, then Y, X, Y coordinates we have to find of A, B, C and D. Here you can see the A, the point A. Okay, point A, and here from X-axis it is starting from, yes, it is starting from 2. So X is for A, the point is 2 and 4. Y-axis is 2. And B, coordinate B, that is Y-axis 3 and X is 6. So you can write it as 6, comma 3. First X-axis and then Y. Okay, X, comma Y. Next C, you can see here, yes. X is also 1, Y is also 1. So coordinate is 1, comma 1. And D, when you see, yes, this is 5, y-axis 5 and x-axis also 5. So that point is 5, comma 5. So the points A, B, C and D, which is matching 2, 4, sorry, 2, 4, 6, 3, 1, 1 and 5, 5. So this is matching with the option D. Correct answer is option D. Next question, if 5, 6, x 3, 2, 2 is divisible by 18, then find the least value of x. So here you can see a number, okay, a 6-digit number which is divisible by 18, then we have to find out the value of x here. In the center, you can see this marked with x. This number, we have to find the least value of this x. Okay, so first, the least value, we have the number 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. First, we will check with the 0. Okay, 0, whether it is divisible or not. 560322 divided by 18. When we did, we will get 31,129. This means what? This is divisible with this without any remainder. So this is divisible by 18. So we can say that the least number, okay, from first only we'll get. So we can say that the least value of x is 0 only. Okay. So the correct option is option C, that is 0. Next, two cylinders A and B are formed by folding a rectangular sheet of dimensions 30 centimeter into 20 centimeter along its length and breadth respectively. That the volume of A is dash of volume of B. Okay, so here you can see two cylinders are formed by folding a rectangular sheet. Okay, and its dimension is 30 centimeter into 20 centimeter along its breadth and also along its length and breadth respectively. Okay, so we have to find out here the volume here. Okay, we have to find the volume here. So first we will find out the volume of A. Volume of cylinder A, which is equal to pi r square h. This is the formula to find out the volume of cylinder. RA, and this height will also HA. So which is equal to pi into 15 by pi whole square into height is 20. So this will become pi into 225 divided by pi square into 20. So which is equal to pi and pi will get cancelled off, 1 pi. So 25 into 225 into 20 is 4,500 by pi centimeter cube. Okay, this is the volume of first cylinder, and volume of cylinder B is given by pi r b square h b. Okay, so here pi into radius is given by, that is 10 by pi the whole square into height, it is given by 30. Okay, so which is equal to pi into divided by pi square. So 1 pi and 1 pi will get cancelled off into 30. So is equal to 3000, sorry, 3000 by pi centimeter cube. So when we take the ratio of these, okay, we have to take the ratio of these volumes, okay, VA by VB, which is equal to 4500 by pi divided by 3000 by pi. Pi and pi will get cancelled off. This one and this will get cancelled off. So 45 by 30. Okay. And we have to simplify this so that we will get the how many times it is greater. So here you can see this is when we simplify 15 into 3, 45, and here 15 to 2, 30. 3 by 2. So we can say that. So 3 is to 2 or 3 by 2 times. So the volume of A is 3 by 2 times of that of volume B. So correct option is option A. count the number of cubes in the given figure. In the given figure, we have to find out the number of cubes here. Okay. So here when you see, you can see this is the upper part. How many cubes? First, we have to find out the total number of cubes. In the center, you can see this is whole only. Okay. Only the boundaries we have to count. Okay. So when we count the boundaries, okay, when we count all the boundaries, we will get the total number of cubes we have. It is 140 only. But some of the cubes are left here. Okay. See, 1, 2. Here in the some portion, 8 cubes are left. Here 7, 8, 7. Like that, minus 8 plus 7 plus 8 plus 7. Okay, four sides, these cubes are left. So we have to subtract this from, okay, from this. So 140 minus 8 plus 7 plus 8 plus 7, it is 15 plus 30. So which is equal to 110. So total there are 110 cubes in this picture. Okay, correct option is option B, 110. Next, as A walks at a uniform rate of 4 kilometers per hour and 4 hours after his start, B cycles after him at the uniform rate of 10 kilometers per hour. How far from the starting point will B catch A? So here you can see A is walking at a uniform rate of 4 kilometers per hour. And after the 4 hours of his start, what is B doing? B is cycling after him at the uniform rate of 10 kilometers per hour. So how far from the starting point will B can catch A? That we have to find out. Okay. So here you can see, first we will calculate the distance of person A. So which is equal to speed into time. Speed into time, which is equal to 4 kilometers per hour. Time, which is 4 hours, which is equal to 16 kilometers. So this is the distance. Okay. Next, time taken for B to catch A. Which is equal to distance we have to calculate here, which is equal to 4 kilometers per hour. Time we don't know, so we are taking it as T only. Okay, into 4 plus T hours. Okay, so which is equal to 4 into 4 plus T, which is equal to 16 plus 40, okay, kilometer. 16 plus 40 kilometer we will get. So here, distance of B, how we can calculate, which is equal to 10 kilometer per hour. It is traveling, okay. B is traveling 10 kilometer per hour into time we are taking it as T. So we will get 10T. 10T, okay. So here, this one is equal to this one, right? So we can substitute here, which is equal to 10T, which is equal to 16 plus 4T, or 16T is equal to 60. So time is equal to 16 by 6, which is equal to 8 by 3 hours. So time we get. So again, we can substitute this in the distance. So distance is our 10T, right? Distance of B is 10T. So 10T means 10 into 8 by 3. Okay, which is equal to 80 by 3. 80 by 3, which is approximately equal to 26.67 kilometers. So approximately we can say that 26.7 kilometer. Okay, so the correct option is option D, 26.7 kilometer. Next question, we have to find the area of the shaded part of the given figure. Okay, here see, you can see in this given figure, one rectangle is there and two circles are there here. This one and this one is a circle. Okay, so first we have to find all the areas, then we have to subtract the unshaded part to find the area of the shaded part. So first, area of rectangle is given by, area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So length is 28. 14 plus 7 plus 7, that is 28. 28 into breadth is 14. 28 into 14, which is equal to 392 centimeters square. This is what is our area of rectangle. Now we have two squares with, two circles with radius 7 centimeter. So area of circle, which is equal to two circles. So pi r square plus pi r square. So which is equal to pi into 7 square plus pi into 7 square, which is equal to, we will get approximately the value 307.6 72 centimeter square when we add these two areas of circle. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have we have to this is the total area. This is 392 is the area of the rectangle plus this one is also there. 307.72 is the area of this two circles. Okay, from that, what we have to subtract this one circle, okay, one semicircle and two quarter circle are there. Okay, so one semicircle is one area of one semicircle is 153.86 and two quarter circle, the area will be 76.93. So we have to subtract these from this. Okay, first we have to add, then we have to subtract. So when we do this, we will get 468.83. Okay, so which is approximately equal to, we can round off, that is 469 centimeter square approximately. Okay, so the correct option is 469 square centimeter. Okay, next question is, the table shows the number of questions done by some children in 20 minutes. What percentage of the children had done 4 questions? So here in this table you can see some students has done some questions. Okay, so we have to find out the percentage of children who had done 4 questions. Okay, the percentage of, to find the percentage, 4 question means what? How many children has done 4 questions? It is 6. 6 by total number of students. How many children are there out of this total? Total we have 6 by 24 students are there. Okay. So here 6 by 24 into 100. So we will get the percentage of students who have done 4 questions. So here to 20 or 25, which is equal to 25%. So 25% of the students has done 4 questions correctly. Okay. So the correct option is option B, 25%. Next question, a cube has the following shapes on its 6 faces. Here are 3 different views of the same cube. What shape should be on the blank face? Here you can see the 3 views from here. You can see first view, second view and third view. So this here we have to find which picture will come here. Okay. So first option, when you see, this is coming in the upper portion. And here you can see this is coming here. So there is no chance of coming this here from in this blank portion. Okay. And when we take this heart symbol, yes, there is a chance then this can come here. Okay. So next when we take of triangle, no chance of coming here. And this one also not. Okay. So the only option that can matches this blank space is only option B. So the correct option is option B. Next, in the given figure, ABC is a right-angled isosceles triangle in which AC parallel to DE and angle BJI is 58 degree and GIH is 71 degree. So we have to find out angle DEG. Okay, angle DEG. This one we have to find. DEG. Okay, so here it is given angle BJI is 71 degree and sorry, and the angle BJI is 58 degree and angle GIH is 71 degree. Okay, GIH, this is 71. This is 71 means what? This one will also become 71 degree. Okay. And it is said that ABC is a right-angled isosceles triangle. Okay. Right-angled isosceles triangle means what? This one will be 90. So this one and this one will also become 45, 45 each, right? Because this is an isosceles triangle. Here it is 90 means this one will also become 45 and this one will also become 45. Okay. And here angle BJI is given as 58 degree. Okay. So suppose we are taking this as x, this angle, okay, this angle we are taking it as x. So this is a supplementary, okay, this is supplementary or half angle, straight angle we can say that 45, 58 and x is making the half angle. So the value of half angle or straight angle will be what? 180 degree. So we can write here that is x we can find out which is equal to 180 degree minus 58 plus 45. We can find that x angle. First, we will find out this x. Then, by using angle sum property, we will find out the value of DEG. So, which is equal to 180 degree minus 103 degree, which is equal to 77 degree. So now we get the value of x as 77 degree. This one, 77 degree we get. By using angle sum property, we can find out DEG. So which is equal to angle DEG is equal to 180 minus 148, and which is equal to 32 degree. So the correct option is option C, 32 degree. Angle DEG is 32 degree. Next question. The table shows the rate of payment in a factory. Okay, here you can see if Mr. Gupta worked from Tuesday to Sunday and received rupees 220, then how many hours of overtime did he work? Okay. So here you can see Monday to Tuesday to Sunday it is given. Okay. So he is working Tuesday to Sunday means what? He is working for Tuesday to Sunday means he is working for 6 days. And on Saturday, Tuesday to Saturday means what? He is working for 5 days. Okay. And on Sunday, he is getting rupees 40. On Sunday, he is getting rupees. Other days, he is getting 30 rupees. Okay. So Tuesday to Saturday, how much he can earn? Tuesday to Saturday, he can earn 30. Okay, 5 days are there. So 5 into 30, which is equal to rupees 150. He can earn on Tuesday when he work from Tuesday to Saturday. Okay. So total earnings on regular days will be what? On regular days, he can earn 150 from Tuesday to Saturday and plus on Sunday 40 rupees. So total days. Okay. So how much time he is overtime? We have to find out total. He received rupees 220. So 220 minus 190 means what it is? 220 minus 190, we are getting 30 rupees. So 30 rupees is extra. So how many hours he has to work? So for that, what we have to find out is earning from overtime divided by overtime rate. Okay, overtime rate is 5 rupees per hour. Okay, to find out how many hours of overtime did he work, we have to divide the total. Okay, earning from overtime. Earning from overtime is 30 rupees and rate per hour is 5 rupees, so which is equal to 6. So he worked 6 hours. Here's overtime work is 6 hours. Okay. So correct option is option A, 6 hours.